Ella.
She's Ella, and more Aotearoa Winton School, Kua Ahau. I'm Brooke.
She's Brooke. Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news for the 2nd of May.
Right, on to te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is Haratua.
Haratua is the Maori word for May.
Have you been using this? On to health and safety. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate. Stay warm, Winton School.
On to today's notices. Today, the sport is basketball on the basketball court at lunch, year 5 to 6.
On year 4 Kapa Haka in the hall at 12:30. Please bring your lunch with you.
Reminder, there is no band practice tomorrow after school.
While the circus is across the road, please don't go over to the field.
On to birthday news.
Happy birthday to Anahera in room 5. Have a great day, Anahera.
We have two new students at Winton School.
Welcome to Phoenix in room 9 and Jackson in room 3. Hope you have a great first few days at school.
Okay, that's us for today.
Now, if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the textbooks below.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S News, ka kite a pōpō.
Haere rā, and see you tomorrow, Winton School.